How to use Planet Fitness lockers. I'm going to tell you how to use the lockers at Planet Fitness. First, find the locker rooms. Men's and women's are separate, and there's usually a small bank of day lockers right outside or near the entrance. These day lockers are free and first come, first served, so grab one before you head to your workout. Make sure to bring your own lock or use the combination style. Many gyms stopped supplying locks for hygiene reasons. Keep it on hand because you'll need the same code or key to open it later. If you're staying a while or want more secure storage, ask at the front desk about long term lockers. Some locations offer them for a small annual fee. After your workout, don't forget your lock and tip. Bring a small bag so you're not juggling phones, keys, water bottle, and lock.